At least for me, I'm not a victim. Because
I don't regret being close to President Museveni. He's the president of Uganda, is a fountain of honor. And nobody will stop me from being close to him. I equally don't mind whether I am removed or not. All I wanted was to be a member of parliament of Bukedea.
We are now entering Chisanja, no more sleep. And we are entering Chisanja, no more corruption. No more corruption, no more sleep. Enarem oye. Enarem ebeo.
And we continue. I mean, I don't know, Erueru is about to run away. I don't know whether David Moore sits in his office comfortably. The Minister of Defense the other day was here. So we are all have become victims of this one man called Mohozi Kainerugaba. This parliament must find a solution.
at least for me, I'm not a victim. Because when I remember...
But recently in Zambia, she donated 1 billion to the cancer. Among 1 billion. She went for the Sentai Foundation. She gave 100 million, where she encouraged people to welcome the leaders as long as they steal and give to her voters.
Last Saturday, she challenged the president.
On Saturday, I and him witnessed in Soroti. The president, His Excellency, through the vice president, was able to donate 20 million.
For the church.
For the church, they have their church there. And the speaker said, I'm giving 100. Where does he get all this money? And members of parliament don't see that this is their money. They don't see. This is a woman as parliament. She has no business to donate 1 billion. She has no known income to donate the 100 million to Sentai Foundation. To the golfers, yes. To the golfers, she donated 100 million. Can you imagine? Golfers, 100 million. Sorority Church, 100 million. Sentai Foundation, 100 million. In Zambia, 1 billion. And you say, for you are donating 100, the president is donating 20. And 10. And the members clap. Those ones who ran after her, we found them kneeling. Can you imagine? Members of parliament, men, kneeling. Mama. And she was busy looking the other side. So enough is enough. We are saying enough is enough. And whatever they try to do, we shall have our motion. We shall continue fighting. And this motion is going to streamline even you, Commission Chair.
Let nobody be, in doubt. All people who serve Mr. Museveni, regardless of their level, if they are not members of his family, they are pawns. They are pawns on the board. They are disposable. Regardless of who they are. Regardless of what they have done for him.
Not the speaker, at least.
All of the... You think the speaker is more important than Kaihura? You show Kaihura overnight. I don't know where he is now, whether he's still in Bombo pleading with the General, with the General Muhoozi, I don't know, But Kaihura had power, So Anita is nothing in that scheme of things. And so is all these, brokers and agents that he uses. They are nothing. As long as you are not a member of the family, power belongs to the family. Let people wake up to the fact. Whether you are a businessman and you are an associate and you have become rich or what, know that you are disposable.
I am still around. I still have 1 term to serve. When I finish serving my 5 years in the next term, then I will give it to my young brother, Thomas, to take over.
Me, I cannot tolerate anybody under me. Once I detect that, out, you go. Because if I tolerate you, I am endangering the system.
This message has come from my chairman of PLU, and he has instructed me to inform you that it has been endorsed by His Excellency, the President of Uganda. Honorable Ofono Pondo, there is a man called Chinua Achebe. He said that things have fallen apart. The line we are taking now is for the Right Honorable Maxon Oboth as our next speaker. I just want to appeal to the members of the Central Executive Committee of the NRM. Please, most of you are here, others have not come. When the President brings that name of Honorable Maxon Oboth as the Speaker of the 12th Parliament, please don't ask any question. Just tell the President that we are with you. And for us in the caucus, we shall be ready to support the endorsement of the Central Executive Committee.
So, Honorable Kabanda, I got a call that meet Honorable Kabanda. He's the commander now, ground commander. And I'm sure most of you in this tent, you came because of Honorable Kabanda's instruction. I don't want to say command. And I want to tell you as I give him the mic, it has never been real. It's now more real.